Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can enable or disable Bluetooth on this MAXCOM phone. To do this, first of all you have to open this arrow, so click on it once to open the menu and then keep scrolling until you find application menu. Click OK. Here click OK one more time to open the Bluetooth. And as you can see, when you click on the OK, we are going to activate the Bluetooth. As you can see right here, we can find the name of our device. Right here, we can also check the list of all paired devices. So in my case, there is no any paired devices, but if I want to pair any device, I have to click add new device. And right now our phone is searching for the nearby devices. As you can see, for example, I'm able to connect with this device. So yeah, that's how we can do this on this phone. If you want to turn off the Bluetooth, just click right here and remove this marker. So that's all for the video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.